What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing great. A quick market look, and we're going to look at some instrument that I'm paying attention this week for the possible trading opportunities. First, we have crude oil. As you can see, the price nicely broke out above 50 and 20 EMA, and we are below 50 and 20 EMA. And now that looks like the direction has changed from bearish towards the bullish side. So crude oil runs heavily on fundamentals, and Iran and US stocks has still been failed, means there's a likely chance that the price of crude oil fundamentally can push up from here. But technically, we are above 1520 EMA. We can see another continuation towards the upside, and we can likely see a push up to these highs exactly right here. So keep an eye on the conditions like bullish engulfers. If that happens above 50 EMA, that's a likelihood we can see a continuation towards the upside. Then we have gold. Gold also just reached and hit the level of minor resistance. That is right here, these numbers in blue. And looking at that, if we get one more rejection right here without a candle to close above, we can see another pullback. Now that pullback doesn't mean we're going to reverse, mean we can see a possible push down at least to 20 and 50 EMA. That would be a big push if that happens. But if the price break and close above this high, only then we can see a further continuation. So break and close is very important for the gold to carry on pushing up as well. Next up, we have silver. As you can see right here, the price just hit the second top. If there is bearish engulfer right here, there's a likelihood we can see some pullback. Doesn't mean we're going to reverse, but just a pullback I'm expecting. If the price close above this high, we can see a further continuation towards the upside. So keep an eye on the rejection or a break above for the continuation. Rejection means we can see some solid pullbacks. Finally, we have one Forex pair, which is USDJPY. Just hit 50 EMA. We are now in a process of a pullback. If the price stays below 50 EMA and forms a bearish engulfing pattern, we can see a possible push down and continuation towards the downside. At least we can see a push down to these lows. If the price closes above 50 and 20 EMA, then the directions will change and it can continue to push up, and we can see a further continuation. So for the bearish moves, it must stays below 50 EMA and forms a bearish signal like bearish engulfer. For the bullish moves, we want to see a break above 50 EMA and then a bullish conditions like engulfing candles above 50 EMA. That's it for today's video. Hope you got a value, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.